Hi, I'm Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share how I take these fall lanterns and transform them into my winter lanterns. Let's get started. Hi everyone, it's Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. We're happy to have you here with us today. While I'm taking apart my fall lantern, I like to share that today I'm participating in the Winter Lantern Collab for 2020, hosted by Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. So please be sure to check out her video and the other videos of those who participated. A link to the collaboration will be in my description box below. Also in the description box below is a link to other playlists for other videos I've made. And I have a Christmas playlist below with a ton of items I've already created. I'm also about to start actually incorporating the decorations into my home decor. So if you like to see how I decorate my home using these DIYs, please be sure to become a member of the channel by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the bell so you'll be notified as I release new videos. So right now I'm just trying to get all the leaves out of the bottom of this lantern, and then I'll get it out of the larger lantern. I'll give it a quick clean, and then we'll move on to decorating it.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Next step, we'll be taking some snow, and this is like the blanket snow, and I'll be putting it at the bottom of both lanterns, trying to work my way around the candle. Now these candles are a permanent part of the lantern, and now that I've been using them a while, I would not purchase another lantern that had a candle at the bottom like this, because I like to decorate my lanterns, and it's kind of difficult to work around that sometimes. So that's something to consider when you're looking at lanterns. So my next step, I'm going to take some fishing wire because it's almost invisible to the eye, and I'm going to string some snowflakes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hang them in each window pane of my lantern. And I'm hanging them by using just a little piece of Scotch tape. I taped it to the top of the fishing line, and I'm actually taping it to the inside of the roof of my lantern. And so this is the result of how it looks once I've got the snowflakes hung in each window. And so now I'm going to do the same in the large lantern. Now with that being done, sorry I lost some footage where I was adding a few pine cones, but I've made these two bows, and I'm going to attach one to each of the lanterns. And if you'd like to learn how to make a bow, please check out my How to Make a Bow series. A link to that is also in the description box below. And I show you how to make all different types of bows. This Tuesday I will be adding number 7 in the series, and that series is going to go on for a while because there's just so many different types of bows you can make. And I'm not just showing the bow, I'm showing it using different materials, so you'll get to see how it looks when you use ribbon of different sizes, different textures, when you use even like little gift wrap ribbon, or if you use jute cord, different raffia, different things like that. So take a moment to check that out. So I've got that bow on, and now I'm going to fluff it up a little bit. You know, that's what we love to do. And then I'm going to move on to the large lantern. So here with both lanterns, they have their bow topper, and I want you to see how that looks. I thought I was finished, but in the last pictures you'll see I went back and added some ornaments at the bottom, just to get a little pop of color because it was looking a little bland to me. So again, I'd like to thank Kenya for hosting the Winter Lantern Collab. I love participating in her lantern collabs, and I do so whenever I can. So if you've decorated a lantern, let me know what you use to decorate yours with. Leave me a comment, let me know what types of things you like to add to your lanterns. So I'll be sharing a lot more DIYs and Christmas decor, don't forget. So I want to thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.